Kochanie, look at this beautiful Yeshen. The color of the trees, you see?
Isn't that beautiful?
Green and also a red, orange.
But look at the color of the sky, sunny day. It's 15 degrees, but it's actually nice, you know. And the October, especially the second half of October, is really great time to travel around because it's like off season. It's not winter yet, it's not the Christmas season yet, and it's definitely already out of the summer season. So everything is quieter, more available, but still weather is nice. It's just cooler, but it's actually nice at the same time. Last year I was already going back from Canada at that time. Now we are going for the little bit of European trip, little bit spontaneous but nice. And the color of the tree. Yo, what's up from Krakow?
Dzień dobry, just we arrived in Krakow city, tak kochanie?
Tak, we arrived to the Krakow, as you can see, something totally different. It took us 4.5 hour drive to Krakow today, 450 kilometers, and this is our 4-day trip across South Europe actually, because we are going to Krakow. Today we are in Krakow, tomorrow we are going to Zakopane, then we're going to Budapest in Hungary, then we're going to Bratislava in Slovakia, and then we go to Vienna in Austria, and then we're gonna go home. So it's gonna be very interesting trip in 4 days. But today's video will be a little bit of the Krakow. Let's see what's the hype about the Krakow actually, yeah? Because everybody always, whenever you talk about the Poland, Krakow, everybody know the rest of the cities.
I'll show you. Actually in front of me is the theater of the Krakow. Kochanie, even you are Polish, this is your first time coming to Krakow, tak?
Tak. Well, I'm not gonna lie, it's my first time going to Krakow. I used to be in 4 different continents, visited 30 plus countries, and first time going to Krakow. Well, it happens. At least better late than never, yeah? Okay, let's go. I wanna see the square. So we've parked in the Galeria Krakowska, next to the railway train station actually. I think it's the same. This is some sort of bank office here, building. And we're going to the square. Probably this is what is the hype about. Oh, this is the Bazylika Mariacka, and we are entering the square, the most popular square in Poland. At least I heard there's still people enjoying their garden beers. And you feel cold? Beautiful hat you have, Sayang.
Dziękuję. Oh wow, so huge square.
Nice. Oh, you have the beautiful sunset actually. You modify your hat a little bit, Sayang?
Yeah, so you guys can see my face.
Are you happy you came to Krakow for the first time?
Wow.
What's that?
It's totally different. I think that this one is the Bazylika Mariacki church, Mariacka. That's my teacher always said that whenever you come to Krakow, you have to visit that. And my first impression is that I think, wow.
Nice, yeah?
Nice. And yes, of course, this Stare Rynek, or which is the old Market Square, is way much busier than Wrocław, much busier than Poznan, of course, and I think much busier than Torun, tak?
I mean, it's also probably the biggest one in Poland as
and
well.
And then more expensive.
It's also more expensive. The most expensive city in Poland is the biggest square and the busiest, and that's how does it work. And this is the basilic. I'll show you. Today I'm filming like all days. Been a while when I was doing it actually. So hope so you enjoy. Everybody who just enter, I would like to just enter to this channel actually and find out this channel. We used to do the YouTube videos for every single day for the past 4 years. Yeah, but in Southeast Asia, in Bali particularly, and in Asia in general, and now back in Poland. In December will be 1 year since we are back in Poland, in Krakow today.
Kochanie, behind me I think that this one is Adam Mickiewicz statue, tak? And what I see that is the town hall with a clock. I think that the clock tower.
We should get there actually.
Yes.
We should get there. Let's go. And this is the monument of Adam Mickiewicz. Here we go. And that's the overall feel of the square here in Krakow. End of October 2024. Sayang,
You prefer weather like this one, or when we were last time in the Wrocław and you got overheated in September?
I prefer this one. Even like I dress up like 4 clothes. 1, 2,
Yeah.
3, 4.
Actually,
like
this clothes suits
chevrolet.
you, Nice hat.
Like onion, I dress up, but it's enjoyable, you know.
Let's
And
go. Let's have a look. This is it. Actually, the alleys going, I mean, the streets going from there, coming here, going there. This is the basilic, what we mentioned, what we came from. I think this one, I don't know what is this building actually behind you. This one belongs to the city hall or what?
yes, the thing is that what you expect when you come to Poland is this city like this.
Yeah,
Like,
that's
clean.
true.
And one thing, every cities in Poland, what I see, I know that the graffitis are everywhere, but in general, it is clean.
It's actually nice. Different architecture, different vibe. That's the city hall. It is how it is, but it's cool. Quite a lot of also international visitors
Yes,
here, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
So in Krakow they have those horses, Sayang.
Ah,
Is it
look
nice?
at this.
Sayang?
No, I'm just amazed that, you know, from those all the starry Rynek that I've been visited so far, I never visit Warsaw yet, but this one I think.
Warsaw have no Rynek because was destroyed, Sayang.
Oh, okay. So this one I think the most you know, tourist objecting stuff. Yes.
Yeah, this is how it is. It's actually cool. Actually, before the Warsaw, people gonna comment what I said. Original Rynek was destroyed. Now Warsaw have a small Rynek, which is the modern Rynek, but overall Warsaw is the most modern city with the skyscrapers and look a little bit like more into Singapore than Krakow right now. But we're gonna discover and explore the Warsaw on different occasions, yes,
Yes.
because that's gonna be the last biggest top 5 cities to see actually
Yes.
after Krakow. I believe if this is the situation and the Church Day, actually on the second half of the October, imagine Sayang here being during the summer when it's the holiday season and everybody traveling, you know, it must be
packed, and I
Fun.
couldn't even walk here.
it must be hot as well. No?
Oh,
This one is nice actually,
nice.
to be honest. Can we get to the top of this one actually?
Maybe.
I don't know.
I think so, no?
Yeah, maybe. Okay, let's have a look around. Saying a lot of tourists actually behind you. Did you get the memories from the Bali right now? When you had so many tourists in Bali?
But different.
But
different behavior, you know?
That's true.
Here
they really
they really-
appreciate the culture and history here,
right.
especially the history.
I think that people generally mostly coming to Europe to enjoy the history, cultural thing, tak?
Well, I think so. This is called Old Continent though, not for no reason, right?
Yes. For me, it's wow, but there is one but actually. If you see that the Kamienica around, it looks like it's not as attractive as the one in Poznan or in Wrocław. So I think Poznan still number 1.
Poznan number 1. That's true. That's why Poznan is saying jesteś u siebie, right? You're at home. Krakow is just popular for probably many various reasons. Maybe because the horses are in Krakow and we don't have it in Poznan. It's like, what is this? This is the market or something? We should go, Saya.
I don't know. We just walking around and showing.
This is
the
nice
people.
view actually from here. Nice shot.
Yeah.
And the horses here. Would you like to have a ride, Sayang?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. That's how does it look like. Anyway, those horses, this is like a tradition here in Krakow. That's why it's tourist attraction, but at the same time it's the tradition. So far as I'm concerned, this is the only one city. Look at this bird, it's actually flying.
Ooh.
Nice.
Kochanie, I think that there is a traditional market there inside
I know,
and selling
I know.
souvenirs.
You
Let's
love
see.
market, huh? Anyways, I need to buy the postcard for my papa. And this one reminds me a little bit of this building in Vietnam, remember? When I buy the postcard?
Nice.
This one's nice. This one looks nice, actually. Oh, this one is actually nice. Nice market. You can buy so many nice stuff.
Yes.
Bursztyn, amba. Nice. Really nice indeed.
Look at this doll. That's so cute.
Yeah, the Krakowian doll.
So cute, isn't it?
And look at the scarves and the corals, what I bought you last time, remember? Exactly the same traditional outfit.
And this one also, what's that one? The
Amber.
Let's stroll around. For those of you ladies,
But also must be Lewandowski t-shirt here.
like I told you, Damian is a brother of Lewandowski.
In Asia, because after that not. Magnets, other stuffs.
Oh, look at this. So many nice things here. And so many cute things.
Because actually we have to go to the Wawel as well, because there is dragon.
Okay.
And all the kings of Poland are also buried there.
Yes. Oh, look at this. So cute. This is look like my hat. Oh, look at this. It's so cute.
Yeah, the traditional hat. This is actually the traditional clothes what she wanted to have it.
So cute. I keep walking and showing you the souvenir shop. Oh, look at this. So many nice things. Oh, and that's on the wall is actually the symbol of the state park, like Gniezno, it's in Poznan.
You have on the other side you have a Grudziądz and you have a Olsztyn also. Very important for me. Perhaps. All the biggest cities in Poland should be here mentioning.
Look at this.
They sell really a lot of stuff, a lot of amber
Oh,
actually.
the ceramic. So cute. Oh, the wooden thingy. Why so many dragon statue?
Yeah, because symbol of Krakow is dragon. That's why we have to go to Wawel. I think I have to go now.
Okay, let's see. So many nice things. Yeah, the thing is that it's really big rynek, stary rynek, tak kochanie?
Tak.
Big, yes. But yeah, the building, the design, the artistic, on the top of the ceiling,
Like for me actually, I'm just still thinking why actually Krakow is the most popular tourist city in Poland. I mean, it's beautiful, I'm not gonna say no, that's true, 100%. But why actually Krakow, no other city, right? Yeah. I was thinking maybe...
I think leave Poznan like that.
Yeah.
If Poznan, like so many people coming to Poznan, later in Poznan very expensive, like Bali, overrated.
That's also true,
but
but
Krakow overrated. But
that's
it's okay.
true. But also I'm thinking maybe because there is a lot of attraction nearby. Because if you come to Krakow, there is the Auschwitz-Birkenau, what everybody at least once in their lifetime should visit, and also there is Wieliczka salt mining place. And also Zakopane 2 hours drive and the mountains, so maybe that's why, right?
Yes.
Maybe what surrounds additionally is the thing to go to Poland, to Krakow.
Yeah.
So leave the Poznan how it is. All right, so we are going now to the Wawel, which I think is somehow visible already in the background. Sunset is nice. It's a good time actually to explore right now. It's pretty busy. This is like a walking street. Very popular in Poland, in the big cities. Every major big city has something like this one. This one is just simply pretty busy, I'm gonna tell. And there's some nice bakery shop actually. Sayang, we should try some local specialties like krakowski pretzel or the obwarzanek or something like that?
Tak.
If we find something, you try, yeah?
Yes.
All right. After that, that's how does it look like here. Whew. It's been a while when I was actually doing this freestyle filming like this one. Somehow I miss it that actually.
Kohanye, I know that you are busy. Your job is really taking lots of energy for you. Even you travel like in Paris, you didn't go to the Eiffel.
I've been in the 2 times in Paris since the last 2 months or 3 months, and I didn't see the Eiffel Tower yet. But yeah, that's how it is. That's the thing. But I'm happy as I'm Krakow. Happy as we're gonna travel a little bit more, right, Zach?
Yes.
And let's film. Let's film.
Oh, this is Setani Topai. And this is a tramway. Tramway, blue color.
From the other side is going another one.
And here.
Nice. And there is the church or basilic, something.
Tak,
Even McDonald's have a nice building here.
tak. So you'll go straight there.
We go
tak?
straight, yeah. It's 14 degrees and they still selling ice cream. So do you wanna have ice cream?
Maybe let's have a coffee, right?
Yeah. The coffee is definitely time for coffee. Everywhere we're gonna go is coffee time. Definitely we just have to see the Wawel first. I believe if I come to Krakow, I'm not gonna show you guys the Wawel. It's gonna be you're not gonna forgive me for that. So let's see. Quite a lot of nice bakeries here with the nice furnitures and everything. Definitely something different. Definitely nice.
Nice.
Nice, isn't it?
Right. For me, Poland is like this. Wherever you go, the building is just like this.
That's the thing. Also a lot of school trips, by the way, everywhere.
Yes.
Isn't it? Alright, let's go. This is how does it look like here.
So Kohanye, behind me is the Wawel Castle, tak?
Right, that's correct. That's the Royal Castle in Wawel. Wawel Castle. Yeah, very important place, Saya,
So,
in general.
why do you think it's very important?
Because many kings of Poland are buried there. And the Krakow was capital city of Poland long time ago, you know that?
I see.
Yeah, something different, something new. So this is it. Let's go a little bit more there, we can show the different shot maybe. And then we're gonna go there for the Kazimierz area of Krakow. It's a little bit under renovation, but let's go, Saya. That's gonna be a courtyard soon, Saya. The cathedral on the top of the Wawel here. Like this one, Saya, aren't you tired?
Oh, wow.
But we arrived finally eventually. You have to come here anyways. So behind you is the cathedral, as I mentioned already. Unfortunately it's under the renovation and already is closed, so we cannot get inside. And that's how does it look like. Old walls. It's beautiful weather actually, like autumn weather. Look at the color of the sunset. Let's go there, saying there will be the view of the river, or the Wisła river actually. That's the nice building, saying actually. Look at this one. So cool and overlooking the Wawel. Sayang,
Hey, let's go there. It's beautiful sunset.
beautiful sunset. Let's have a look. That's the panorama of the Krakow. Sayang, that's the beautiful sunset overlooking the Wisła river in Krakow. Huh?
Right, it's very beautiful.
Very beautiful indeed. And you have a nice panorama of the city itself.
Oh, they have like this, huh?
What? The boats?
No. What's the called that one?
Or the wheel?
They have
And the balloon?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So
They
cute.
have everything. Very cool indeed.
Nice.
That's the one shot of the beautiful sunset here overlooking the Wisła in Krakow. And that's the dragon down there actually. We were looking for dragon, but he is there and he was
Hiding behind the tree.
hiding behind the tree, and there was the fire coming from him. Cool.
Nice.
Look at this building, also nice actually behind you with this colorful ancient flower. So
Beautiful.
nice. Beautiful, isn't it? Actually so enjoyable. So nice. And that's the downtown of Krakow.
Kohanye, we keep walking and walking actually. Now we are in the area of the Kazimierz. I think there are so many restaurants here, right, Kohanye?
Yeah, this is the Jewish district actually.
Jewish district. So long the histories about Jewish history things here. So yeah. We will go there. Maybe we will go check-in hotel, right, Kanye? It's already late night. Ah, look at this. Yes. I think that in front of me is a market, but unfortunately already closed. Yeah. Let's see. This area is actually still my attention because I see that many people are here, and seems like this area is the sapi kangka shop. Smell of the food. Let's see. The vibe is just like the vibe of the Pasar Senggol night market. Kanye, buy one sapi kangka.
Dobrze.
Okay, see everybody coming here for the sapi kangka and kebab. Oh, interesting. We have a grill here. Oh, wow. So many sapi kangka. This lady waving to me, nice. Kochani, smacznego. And how much you pay?
22.
Oh, but look at the toppings, so rich. With the cheese, with the meat. Smacznego. Okay, the taxi actually dropped us here. We are now in the Dwozej, Główny Zachód. And we are in the Galeria Krakow, kochani. So actually this is the mall when we first arrive, and we park here somewhere. Let's go, kochani. I'll show you actually how it looks during the night time, because this mall is the center of the Dwozej, the bus station and the train station. Something the same like Avenida in Poznan.
Something like that. Anyways, we found out that this is the good place to park and explore around. Also, the other hotels are here and everything. So yeah. Just I don't know where we are to find the car now.
Let's go maybe here. Be straightforward. It's already late night. We just arrived in a hotel. We stay in a hotel, and here it is. Gonna check in the hotel.
Oh, this one, the regular floors in the Novotel, and this one is Wisła Krakow room, and this is the VIP floor, and yeah, this one is bikers room, VIP, and I have a running room, Cracovia Marathon. That's actually very interesting. We have a VIP floor, Sayank, I just realized.
Sure.
And look at this one, this one, this one, this one, and they are just simply medals next to my bed. That's actually interesting, something different. Nice gesture from the Novotel. Her being a silver member, it's not the platinum, but still nice. You know, that's the real medals actually. Some pictures. Pity not Wisła Krakow, but still I'm glad for that. Some running stuff saying here even. Nice. So cool. Something different, huh? Different experience. There will be view in the morning. Cool.
Kochani, so the room is actually include a welcome drink as well?
That because I'm a silver member of Accor. I was silver member of Marriott, but it's disappeared, but Accor still I keep it.
Okay, just enjoy.